If you're thinking of changing your profile photo on Instagram, but don't know how to do so, let me show you how. First, open up Instagram. Open your profile by clicking on the bottom right. Click on Edit Profile. And then Edit Picture or Avatar. If you have Facebook connected, you can import your current profile there. You can take a photo or even choose from library. Click on the profile photo that you would like to use now, and then click Done. And then click Done again to save your settings. The chosen profile will be uploaded, and you should now be able to see it as your profile image. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.